Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to maintain your Ethiopian lines or fish bones. Yeah, it's better if you do the oiling, yeah, to avoid the itchiness, but you have to choose the oil that you're using. Okay, so today I'll be using this one maker. It's avocado oil. Okay, it's good for the scalp, so I'll be putting or applying inside, yeah, this way. So this line I have to apply like this so that I can cover with the remaining strands. Okay, so after applying oil like that, I have to join the line. So this is how it goes. You have to join it and cover the inner line. You can do that after you've oiled the line, but if you feel like you want to do it after, then I'll be also showing you how to apply after finishing the line. I'll be applying inside the line like that. Yeah, this line, it has some space inside, so you can just use your bottle or your spray oil. Yeah, you just have to press it inside like that, or to spray it inside, and then yeah, it helps. Okay, so it's you to do how you like it. You can even just apply oil before you start plating. It will still work better. Okay, yeah. Now, for those who wants to know how I achieve the lines or these Ethiopian lines, you can check under the comment section. I've pinned a link there. You can just touch the link and then you go through the video and you can learn something. All right, so I really appreciate for your support. May God bless you. Thank you, and bye bye.